Understanding the phrase, attaching a footering. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're diving into a unique and less commonly discussed phrase, attaching a footering. This phrase isn't one you might come across every day in English, but understanding it can offer rich insights into language's beauty and diversity. So, let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Stay tuned. The phrase, attaching a footering, might sound a bit abstract at first. In the most literal sense, a footering is a ring or band that is placed around the foot or ankle. Historically, footerings have been used for various purposes, including as jewelry, in ceremonies, or to signify someone's status or role within a community. In a more metaphorical or figurative sense, attaching a footering can symbolize binding or committing oneself to a particular cause, person, or course of action. It's like saying you are tying yourself to something, showing dedication or a form of allegiance. The origin of this phrase can be traced back to traditions and practices where wearing a ring on the foot or ankle had a significant cultural or symbolic meaning. In some cultures, for example, footerings were worn as a sign of married status, similar to wearing a wedding ring on the finger in many Western cultures. In contemporary English, though the phrase is not widely used, it can be employed creatively to express a deep connection or commitment. For example, an environmental activist might say they are attaching a footering to the cause of preserving natural habitats, indicating a strong, possibly lifelong commitment to this cause. To help you understand how to use attaching a footering in conversation or writing, here are a few examples. After years of freelance work, he's finally attaching a footering to a single company, showing his readiness to commit. She considered attaching a footering to the movement, dedicating her time and energy to its goals. The ceremony involved attaching a footering, symbolizing the participants' commitment to the community's values. Attaching a footering is a phrase that captures the essence of commitment and dedication, whether literally or figuratively. While not common in everyday English, it offers a beautiful way to express a deep connection to something or someone. We hope this video has helped shed light on this unique phrase and perhaps inspired you to use it in your own expressions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.